Hey, career changers who are interested in breaking into IT. Are you ready to transform your interest in business analysis into a thriving career? You see, Business Analysis Mastery is excited to announce our exclusive online course called the Business Analyst Playbook. This course is your comprehensive guide to becoming and achieving professional success as a business analyst. So, whether you're looking to become a business analyst, you're a newcomer, or you're an experienced business analyst looking to refine your skill, this course is meticulously crafted just for you. On this course, you will learn the critical techniques that will take you from feeling unsure and overwhelmed to becoming a confident and competent business analyst, all from the comfort of your home. Here's what you're going to learn. One, you're going to learn a detailed step-by-step blueprint that guides you through the complexities of business analysis, ensuring you excel. You're going to get proven strategies and insider knowledge to prepare you for business analysis interviews, enhancing your confidence and competitiveness. And then you get essential resources including templates, CVs, cover letters, scenario-based presentations designed to give you an edge as a business analyst, and a prestigious certificate to validate your skills and impress your employers, friends, and family. So why don't you dive into a course that not only teaches you but transforms you into a business analyst leader? Are you ready to step up your game? Transform your career path today with this exclusive opportunity, and it's available to only the next 100 people to enroll. So secure your spot and start your path to becoming a top tier business analyst. To enroll for the Business Analyst Playbook today and claim your spot now, click the link below or in my profile or somewhere on this page. See you at the top.